Let's join Allie and help George read some numbers.
Click on me and we'll count together. Click a number below to go to a different page. 1. 1 whale. Why, hello there, Mr. Swimmy. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. I can swim 5 feet, so I'm like a very little whale. 2 trains. 3 turtles. 4 sandwiches. 5 socks. 6 chicks.
Fantastic! Click the green button to keep playing.
Seven trucks. 8 carrots. 9 juice boxes. 10 fish. 11 dogs. 12 creepy crawlies. 13 cars. 14 bunnies. 15 boats. 16 crayons. 17 books. 18 hats. 19 birds. 20 balloons.